is a generator. This is an inverter. Look at the control box of this generator, guys. Come on here. Look, the generator produces here phase 1 and phase 2, and neutral here, and other neutral here, both neutrals connected together, and the neutral here, this is the source of the power, is connected with, what is this?
Frame.
The ground. The ground connected with the neutral together. You understand? And after that, from this point, that cable enter in the boat like neutral, and other cable coming from the housing, any part of the housing, enter like ground. Only here, ground and neutral are connected together, because this is the source of the power. After that, in the boat, you have individual neutral bus bar and individual ground bus bar, and never try to connect both of them together. That's clear, guys? Only here at the source of the power. The same here. The same here. We have ground and neutral here connected, and after that, one cable enter in the boat neutral, and other cable here from the housing here, you see, is going ground, separated. Only ground and neutral here are connected together in the computer at the source of the power. After that, one cable travel neutral, and other from the frame is going with ground. This is the inverter, and this is the generator. It's only at the source of the power. With the transformer is the same. You like the explanation, guys? It's clear?